In the shadow of the cinder cones, life is dictated by a single law: thermodynamics. Here walks a creature that defies the cold blood of its reptilian cousins, the Charmander, a bipedal theropod adapted to extreme heat. But its survival hinges on a unique evolutionary trait: the caudal pyrogenic gland. It is not magic, it is a metabolic exhaust port. Its body produces immense internal heat. Without this vent to release the pressure, it would cook from the inside out. The furnace requires fuel. As it feeds, the internal pressure builds. Eventually, the vessel becomes too small for the fire inside. The metamorphosis is violent. A hormonal cascade triggers rapid cellular restructuring. The Charmeleon. Gone is the docile temperament. Adolescent hormones drive it to a state of constant rage. But the volcanic slopes are contested grounds. Fire is useless against living stone. This creates a stalemate that only violence can solve. The Charmeleon superheats its claws, delivering a barrage of vicious, searing slashes. The heat shears through the rock. Territorial dominance established. After an intense battle, it seeks the only thing that can match its internal temperature: the caldera. But the final stage requires temperatures that would kill a lesser organism. To rule the sky, it must first conquer the fire. Its skeletal structure rearranges one last time. Highly vascularized membranes expand. The metabolic engine reaches critical mass. The Charizard. Not a dragon of myth, but a master of aerodynamics. The apex predator. It leaves the crater to hunt. But in the dense timber, it does not fly. It bulldozes. Speed is replaced by mass. 200 pounds of muscle and kinetic energy. But it does not burn the kill. It prepares it. It strikes the earth, igniting the perimeter. A technique known as the heat wave. It creates a localized convection oven, inducing instant heat stroke. The prey is neutralized and cooked. The Charizard leans in. The fuel is replenished. The forest is not its home. It is merely its larder. But to digest such a meal, it requires the geothermal heat of the summit. It returns to the fire, the king of the crater. But nature is never satisfied with perfection. Deep in the core, there are energy sources that push biology past the breaking point.